Well, hi folks, after a bit of a break, we're back on the boat and we've decided to take it from Townsville down to the Whitsundays and maybe spend the winter there. And this is from Navionics, my favourite app, and it's essentially a coastal trip inside the Barrier Reef, past capes, Cape Cleveland, Cape Bowling Green, Cape Upstart and down to Bowen. But firstly, it's goodbye to Townsville Yacht Club, which is a fantastic place. If ever you're in town, go and have a look. This is what we have to navigate first, is around Cape Cleveland, across Cleveland Bay, and we don't have much time, so we've started really early. This is a 4 a.m. start to get out of the river. And actually, it's a lovely time to be on a boat in the tropics. It's quite cool, there's a bit of a breeze. It's not bad. And the great thing is we're heading towards a lighthouse. So here you can see in the distance the loom of Cape Cleveland. It's incredibly clear. Everything to starboard is danger. And as the sun rises, it's a beautiful view from the sea. I think you can spend a lifetime looking at these lighthouses. They're always in dramatic places. They're always on the top of a cliff. Of course, there are exceptions, and this is Cape Bowling Green, and it's this incredibly long sand spit, and it's really hard. There's actually a lighthouse there. It's almost impossible to see. By the way, no Genoa, we've broken our roller reefer, so we have a number 3 up on an inner forestay. Not very well tightened, by the way, and it's old-fashioned hanked on, but that's life. So this is Cape Upstart, and you only get the idea of how big it is when you try to sail past it. This took hours to sail past this huge, massive land. Having said that, if there's a storm from the south, there's a great anchorage at Cape Upstart. And this is looking south towards Abbott Point, and they're all coastal hills and ranges. None of those are islands. And looking aft, this is the sun setting behind Cape Upstart. And like sunrise, sunsets are a pretty nice time to be on a boat. Now at night there's not much vision to show you, but I'll just show you the entrance of Bowen, and the really important thing is North Head Reef is not to mistake that for Stone Island. There is no water, well there's water, but there's no navigable water in there. We anchored at Stone Island. This is the next morning. That's Cape Gloucester looking south. Because we're heading to the Whitsundays, we didn't go into Bowen, and we're a bit deep keeled. We draw 2.4 metres to get into Bowen. We could do it on a high tide, but this is just a stopper. By the way, that might be a relic from Tropical Cyclone, this big fishing boat. More views of the sail after breakfast. And here we are off to Cape Gloucester, which is really the northern barrier to the Whitsundays. So this afternoon we'll be in Airlie Beach.